Talk about the sort of before state and after state, like what you were working with before, the migration to Pantheon, and then what things bringing all of your stuff over onto Pantheon sort of unlocked for you. Walk us through that sort of decision-making process.
Gotcha. Well, we always feel a little bit more comfortable and competent in what we know. And we were actually doing a few different migrations at the same time. And, to be honest, the supplier wiki team at first, we didn't feel like a host migration was relatively needed at the time. We had what we perceived something that was, working stable at the moment. But there was some things that we didn't have that we really needed to square up on. One was a real proper pipeline dev environment. A lot of our content is written by content managers or content writers. And so the website is very dynamic and they have all their stuff under source control. We have things under source control too, but that was one thing that we wanted to fortify. So that was part of the decision. And then with just the good reputation, jumping in the beta, our second favorite feature, maybe my favorite feature, was being able to jump into the Slack channel and communicate with all the other engineers when we had questions, and just the amount of practical suggestions and help was really good. It was really inspiring. Totally changed our minds probably within the first week that, you know what, I think we were steered the right direction, and yeah, this is going to really work for us.